Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing an updated eyebrow tutorial. I did a mini video on my Instagram I think a year ago, but I use different products now, so I really want to show you guys how I do my brows. So the main product that you guys need is the African black soap, which looks like this. I used to use a glossier gel or the NYX one or the ColourPop one, but I just kept running out. And I'm the type of person that even if I'm not wearing any makeup, I still like to brush my brows. So I just kept running out, and this has been working for me. Looks like this. And I've been using this for 8 months, and this is all I've used. So I would really recommend this. So this is basically all you guys are gonna need for this video. So you can tell I use this quite a while. So I like to use this, or you can just use regular water, you still get the same result. And I like to spray it on here. And I use one of these little wands. I think you can get these anywhere. And what I like to do is just brush it on here and get as much product as I can. So now that we got some product in here, we're just gonna start by brushing the eyebrows up. And this gel has no color to it, no tint to it. So even though it's black, once you put it on your eyebrow, it's gonna be clear. I know it looks a little crazy, but we're gonna brush them down once we clean it up with our foundation. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other brow. Okay, so then I take my foundation and I put it in my hand, and I use a foundation and not a concealer because I want them to look as natural as possible, and I don't want that harsh line at the bottom of my brow. So I'm just gonna take a little brush like this. I'm gonna put some foundation on it, and I'm just going to clean up at the bottom of the eyebrow. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other brow. Okay, once I'm finished cleaning them up, I'm gonna take a brush like this, and I'm just gonna blend in all of the foundation under my brows. Okay, so when that's all blended out, I'm gonna take this again, and I'm just gonna brush them down a little bit. And they look so full and so nice. So this is how they look. The eyelashes that I'm wearing today are from Lely Lashes. She just came out with different styles, so please check her out. I will leave it down below. So this is the final look. This is how my eyebrows look. I think these are perfect for summer. They're not too harsh, and they're just so easy to do. It really takes me like 5 minutes to do my eyebrows. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.